Okay, for those wondering why I prefer an IDE to something like VS Code, here's an example. So I've got this component here, I want to do a little refactor. So let's say I want to take this and I want to put it in a new component. You can see there it's using a couple of functions. So I'm going to go right click here, go new file, let's say test.view. Oh, looks like I need to add some stuff to this, that's fine. Let's do that. Oh, looks like I made a typo there, but that was good. So I'm going to paste that in, and obviously needs to be a bit tidy up there. Not sure why that's not working, but there you go, that's VS Code. Right, now let's try the same thing in WebStorm. So I'm going to copy this bit of code here. I'm going to right click, I'm going to go new view, again test. So this I actually have a template, which is nice. And now I'm going to paste this in. Oh, look at that, also got imports. So I actually don't want convert branch and home wall now, I want to move it here. So we just command click to go there, press command T, and I can just say let's move that. Asks me where I want to move it. I'm going to go test, refactor, and it puts everything into test. So that's pretty much why I use an IDE. You just get all this extra help. You don't need to think about it. It completes the path for you. If that was somewhere else in the entire project, that path would be correct as well. So no more copying, pasting, mucking about with imports and wondering whether it's going to work when you compile. It's just done.